Hi, again in data science. Today I am going to revisit the careers in data science. In careers in data science, you need to understand what is data science. Understanding data science is a form of science that focuses on dealing with huge chunks of data by using modern data analysis tools and techniques to discover hidden patterns, meaningful insights, and make critical business decisions. A data science professional has to utilize complicated machine learning algorithms to develop predictive models. There could be multiple sources present in different data formats. Now, data is the new oil. Data is the new oil of 21st century because it is an untapped, valuable asset. It enables improved decision-making, pattern discovery, and predictive analysis. It can help scientists to discover the main reason for a problem by asking the right questions. Data scientists can perform an exploratory study on the huge sets of data. They can also model the data by leveraging various algorithms. The USA is at the forefront of data science market. By 2025, the data science industry is expected to grow exponentially, reaching $16 billion. Data scientists are expected to earn more than the average of IT workforce. Now, data empowers business decisions. Accuracy is always better than assumptions. Now, who is a data scientist? Data scientists are the masters of handling big data. Now, job roles and responsibilities work with an organization to discover issues and leverage data for effective decision making, develop algorithms, and conduct experiments to supply reports to the organization and customers, utilize statistical techniques and machine learning to provide innovative solutions to the problems, assess the genuineness of data sources and data gathering techniques, look for unexplored opportunities to use data sets, insights, models, align with the organization's data science strategy, help in developing relations with clients with the help of data. Now, data analytics, data scientists use their technical and social science skills to discover trends and manage data as analytics expert. Now, what are the steps to become a data scientist? Make up your mind. Consider your a specialization. Start exploring the required skills. Enroll to the somehow like London School or some other schools or maybe some small private organizations. Explore additional projects. Get an entry level job. Now, the technical a skill set required to become a data scientist, knowledge of database, then programming tools, statistics, data wrangling, machine learning, data visualization, and big data. Now, the non-technical skills required to become a data scientist, intellectual curiosity, teamwork, communication skills, business acumen. This diverse career options. Apart from being a data scientist, there are numerous other career options in data science that you can pursue. Next, data analyst. This professional has to execute queries on the database. See, he or she also modifies algorithms used for the reducing information from huge databases. R, Python, JS, HTML, C, SQL, MySQL. These things could be required. Data architect. These professional has the responsibility to ensure the data engineers have the most useful tools and system to start working with data. Language is required. Again, SQL, HTML, C, Hive, XML. And then data engineer. This professional has the responsibility to update the current systems with improved version of the latest technology and in order to improve the overall efficiency of the databases. Languages required are MATLAB, SAS, SQL, statistics, Python, Java, some C, C++, and more. Then statisticians. This professional has the responsibility to develop the latest methodologies for the engineers to work with languages R, SQL, MATLAB, SAS, statistical programming, Python, and more. Then database administrator. This professional has the responsibility to monitor, operate, and maintain the database. He or she also works to install, configure, and define the schemas, train users, and more. Then data and analytics manager. This professional has the responsibility of improving the business processes as a bridge between business and IT. Now, enroll in our data science certification course. If you want, you can also contact us. Here we will offer you project-based learning, flexible timing, updated curriculum with the latest technologies and individual attentions. For this purpose, you can contact us for this certification courses in data science or bioinformatics and contact us. Now, data science interest by the country. India is on the top position in terms of data science interest, then Singapore, Nigeria, United States, Pakistan, Hong Kong, Ireland, Philippines, Australia, South Africa, United Kingdom, Canada, South Korea, Netherlands, and Switzerland. Then data science programming languages which you need to know: Python, R, Julia, Java, Scala, C++, C. Data science roadmap: fundamental statistics, programming, machine learning, text mining with visualization, data, big data, data ingestion, data mingling, and toolboxes you need to know. What are the fundamentals here? In fundamentals, you need to know matrix, linear algebra, binary tree, hash function database, basic multidimensional data model, relational algebra. In statistics, you need to know a descriptive statistics, probability theorem, random variables, Bayes theorem, histograms, continuous distributions, ANOVA, Monte Carlo method, kernel density, regressions, correlations, Euclidean distance, and list fit. Now, in programming, you need to understand variables, vectors, matrices, array, list, functions, data frames, Python, R basics, manipulate data frames, install the packages. Now, if you want to understand machine learning for the purpose of data science, you need to understand supervised and unsupervised learning, training and testing data, classification of the data, linear classifiers, decision tree boosting, naive Bayes classifiers, and regression, clustering, and precision recall. In regression, you need to understand linear, multiple regression, ridge regression, kernel regression, logistic regression. In clustering, you need to understand nearest neighbor, k-means clustering, hierarchical clustering, and more. Then text mining, natural language processing requires text analysis, name entity recognition, corpus, market-based analysis, feature extraction using MAHOT or UIMA, using Weka, using NLTK, classify the text. Data visualization, here you can focus on data exploration in R, Python, Uni, Bi, or multivariate, ggplot2, histogram, and pi, then tree and tree maps, a scatter plot, line charts, spatial charts, timeline, decision tree, D3JS, Tableau, Matplotlib, Wispy, Bokeh, Seaborn, Pygal, Folium, and Network X. Big data. In big data, you need to understand map, reduce fundamentals, Hadoop components, HDFS, data replication principles, name and data nodes using Mahat and Cassandra Mongo database. Then data ingestion. Here you need to understand data format, data discovery, data sources, data integration, data fusion, data transformation, data survey, and Google Open Refine. Now in data munging, dimensionality reduction, normalization, data scrubbing, and handling missing values, denoising, feature extraction, sampling, and principal component and analysis. These things you need to understand for data munging. In toolbox, you need to understand MS Excel, Microsoft Excel, Python, R packages, Weka, NIME, and RapidMiner, Hadoop, Spark, Storm, D3, JS, ggplot2, Shiny, Matplotlib, Tableau, NLTK, Wave Scraper, Scikit, Learn, Kiano, Keras, Cassandra, Mongo, DB. Now, as a data scientist, if you want to use Python only, then NumPy, SciPy, Matplotlib, stats models, scikit-learn, pandas, seaborn, scrappy, keras, these are more than sufficient to enter into data science by using Python only. Thank you very much and see you in the next class.